Well, good morning there, buddy. How you doing? We got to make a special vlog today. We got to tell people why YouTube was trying to get a hold of me. Is that cool with you, or do you want to tell them? Should I tell them, or should you tell them? Alright, I'll tell them. Tell them at least Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. Okay, I'll tell them. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I just wanted to have a little fun with the intro. This is actually probably going to be a really great video. Just clickbaiting you a little bit. About a week and a half ago, as I tried to upload a video, there was a bar running across my YouTube channel page, and it was saying that YouTube needed me to confirm something, and then they wanted my address, and I thought, oh, it's probably for taxes or something. And I started thinking about it. I go, wait a minute. They would have already sent that out, so I don't know what this is all about. So then I got an email, and that kind of explained it a little bit. So they let me know that in 2 to 3 weeks I was going to be getting some mail from them, and it just arrived. So why don't we all together take a look at what they sent? Well, first off, there's the package. It even says YouTube on it. I can't believe that they would just leave it sitting outside my door when it said in the email that they were going to need a signature confirmation, but I guess they didn't. Good old USPS or UPS or however that came today. I opted to cover up my address with some really crazy magnets that I got the other day. They were actually a gift from someone. I thought they were so funny that I said, yeah, that's a pretty good way to cover it up. So let's pop this puppy open and see what's in there. Alright, let's go ahead and remove some of this little foaming. And we have a letter in here from the CEO of YouTube, Susan. I'm not sure how you say your last name. I won't butcher it for you, but it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. That's right. How about that? That must mean this is the Silver Play Award. Now the little business card up top says, we are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Huh. Look at that. Look at that. Daze with Jordan the Lion for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is pretty cool, because when I used to go to Jimmy Kimmel Live all the time, I used to have a friend that worked there. I used to always go in their green room and see Jimmy's award for one of his milestones of hitting 100,000 subscribers that they had showing there. So it's kind of cool to have my own now. Holy smoke. How about that? I can even see us in the mirror. That is pretty freaking cool. Thank you, YouTube. You know, I'd be a total jerk if I didn't thank you as well, because let's face it, you're 50% of this channel. You're 50% of this channel, but you're also probably more than 50% of the reason that people watch. So that's your award too, Ja. Congrats. Well, obviously it was really cool to get this. I mean, anytime you get any kind of award for anything, it's kind of cool, I think. Obviously, I care more about having the subscribers in the end, but I love the fact that YouTube goes out of their way to personalize something like this and to send this to you. So, maybe if you're one of those people that loves awards, maybe start your YouTube channel, and 100,000 subscribers, they send one, and I believe when you hit 1 million, they send a different one. So I guess we won't get our next one until we hit 1 million subscribers. Thank you, everyone, for watching. We'll see you all later. Have a great night, and goodbye.